do not appeal yet if you have been demonetized because of inauthentic content, because there is now a new way for you to get monetized. Before, you have to appeal, and most of the time when you appeal, your appeal will get rejected. But now a lot of people have been giving me information on how they have been successfully able to remonetize their channels. So there are currently two working methods right now, and appealing is not one of them. If you appeal, your appeal is also going to be reviewed by an AI and it's going to be rejected. So now the first way you can get your monetization back is by waiting for 3 months. So instead of you appealing, just wait for 3 months, but do not just leave the channel like that during those 3 months. If you feel like there's any video that caused the problem for you to be demonetized for inauthentic content, delete that video. If you're feeling that okay, this video might be inauthentic or it might have triggered the algorithm to demonetize my channel for inauthentic content, delete that video first of all. Now the next thing you need to do is delete all your shorts, because your shorts can contribute to YouTube seeing your channel as inauthentic, because they might see it as low effort. So this can also cause your channel to be triggered for inauthentic content. So delete all your, if you can't delete your shorts, make it private for now. During those 3 months, make it private. Now the next thing you want to do is make sure that you're selecting those videos that you know that maybe you have a static image that stayed for too long in your stories or in your videos. If you know that a particular video does not fall in line with YouTube reused content or inauthentic content, just delete the video or make them private on the channel. But it is best for you to delete the video so that YouTube can see that okay, you deleted a video from the channel and you've made changes to your channel. You have to delete the videos so that YouTube can see that you've made changes to your channel. If possible, change the metadata of the video. So after changing the metadata, you can change the description, you can change the tags. After changing the tags of the video, then the next step you need to do is wait for 3 months. You need to wait for 3 months before reapplying. Do not appeal. If you appeal, it's going to get rejected, and I don't know if there are going to be other consequences when your appeal is rejected. But if it is rejected, there are chances that your other channels will be demonetized, and even if you don't appeal, there are still chances that your channel can be demonetized. The next step for you to do is just delete your videos. Delete every video you know that is not in the line with the YouTube partner program, and try to work on your watch hours with a video that is not AI generated, and then reapply after 90 days. So the next thing you can do to get your monetization back, I've been seeing a lot of people doing this particular method and it has been helping them, although it is a little bit hard because you need to have a lot of engagements on your post. So what you need to do is take your YouTube link, then craft a message and post it on Twitter. Now what you're going to do in this tweet you're going to be posting on Twitter is you're going to tag YouTube creators. You're going to tag YouTube creators. After tagging YouTube creators, you want to tell them that your channel was wrongfully demonetized for inauthentic content and you have been trying to submit an appeal, but it is not going through because they have been reviewed by an AI. Now most of the appeal you're making was reviewed by an AI. So you want to tell them that your video was not viewed by a real human. Now when you make this tweet, you want to make sure that you have a lot of people retweeting it as much as possible. And before you make this tweet, you want to make sure that your channel is actually in line with the YouTube partner program and you are not actually mass producing content and you're not putting low effort in your videos. Because if you're putting low effort in your videos, everything you're doing is just going to be for waste, because even if they review it, they are still going to see that your channel is not in line with the YouTube partner program. But if you're right and your video is following all of YouTube guidelines, then make this tweet. Once you make the tweet, tell a lot of people to retweet it for you, because the more views you have, the more engagement you have, the more YouTube is going to see it that okay, this is a serious matter. A lot of people are engaging with this particular, they are interacting with this particular tweet. And if truly your channel is following all of YouTube guidelines and they wrongfully demonetize it, might bring problems to YouTube. So they are going to reach out to you and ask for the necessary things they need, and then they are going to remonetize your channel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.